Dear students, today we'll be talking about the chemical bonding. Whatever we see in our day-to-day life, whether it is bread or anything which we see, it is made up of molecules. And in molecules, there are atoms which are held together by chemical bonding. So you can see here, so many molecules are there in which atoms are bonded together with the red color, green color, and white and yellow color. All showing here, you can see. So if you see in every atom, around the atom there are electrons are located, they are keep on moving. So sharing of electrons takes place, which forms chemical bonding. So chemical bonding broadly classified two types: ionic bond, whereas the one more thing which is a covalent bond. So let us discuss about the ionic bonding now. So let us see about ionic bonding. What happens in ionic bonding, we will see. In ionic bonding, metal, non-metal, they both participate in chemical bonding, where electron transfer from metal to non-metal. You can see here electron is transferring from metal sodium to non-metal chlorine. So the metal whichever is losing electron, it gets positive charge. Positively charged ion is cation, whereas non-metal whichever is gaining electron, it is forming anion, and non-metals get a negative charge because of anion is forming. So between them, the complete shifting of electron is taking place. So electron shifting is something which is taking place from metal to non-metal. Because of this electron shifting which is happening between metal to non-metal, there is a charge which is generating over metal, and charge generation is something which is taking place also over non-metal. So cation, anions are forming. So this is how the ionic bond formation. So let us talk about chlorine. If you take chlorine, we have 287 is something which is electronic configuration in chlorine. It need one electron to get the stability, whereas sodium having one extra electron, so it is giving electron to chlorine. So the chlorine is getting a negatively charged, whereas sodium is getting a positively charged. So that is how the electron shifting is happening to form NaCl. Sodium chloride formation is taking place between metal and non-metal, metal sodium and non-metal chlorine. Let us talk covalent bonding. There are, when two chlorine atoms come close, both need one electron. So they both are contributing one electron, and sharing of electrons taking place. Let us see first chlorine. It has electronic configuration 287. Another chlorine also is having 287. Both need one electron each, so they both are contributing one electron, and the sharing of these two electrons taking place. That's how one single bond formation is taking place between the two chlorine atoms. And there is stability is something which is gaining by both the chlorine atoms. First chlorine is getting stability, as well second chlorine is also getting stability, because the pair of electron now belongs to both the atoms. So single bond is something with, by showing one line we can show the single bond. One bond represents two electrons, which is one pair of electrons, they both are sharing here. So we can see here double bond formation in carbon dioxide. Between carbon and left side oxygen, there are 4 electrons are sharing, so 2 bonds are there. Right side oxygen carbon, again it is sharing 4 electrons, which is again 2 pairs. So 2 bonds are forming here. So double bond left side and double bond right side existing. So multiple bonds are possible when number of pairs of electrons are more between the atoms to form a molecule. Thank you.